housing. Mr. Speaker, the vibrancy and vitality of the housing sector will be restored. The comatose state of the housing sector during the last 5 years has served as a disincentive to young professionals, Guyanese families, and all seeking home ownership. The Central Housing and Planning Authority, rather than being a catalyst of development, was made to be almost paralyzed due to poor policy direction. The musical chairs of ministers did not help the situation. This new government has a progressive and expansive agenda for housing. We intend to provide at least 50,000 house lots to Guyanese during this term in office. Further, those who are already beneficiaries of our pre-2015 housing initiatives will see improved services in various communities. Young professionals, individuals with immediate needs, and persons with adequate disposable income will be facilitated to commence construction. Private developers are also included as part of the comprehensive housing strategy. Mr. Speaker, government has allocated $3 billion to begin implementation of its vision for housing development. $3 billion in Budget 2020. This allocation will be utilized for various activities, including infrastructural development in existing housing schemes, land preparation for new housing schemes, and land acquisition. To this end, the capacity for delivery of the aforementioned will be enhanced, as well as the Central Housing and Planning Authority enforcement arm, in order to address the issue of squatting while providing a more robust and fair system of land acquisition. Water and sanitation. Mr. Speaker, Budget 2020 provides for sustaining and improving access to potable water across coastal, urban, and hinterland communities. Continuing the reduction of the non-revenue water program and increasing access to treated water in more areas. To this end, government has budgeted $2.8 billion to support the operations of the Guyana Water Incorporated. Government is undertaking a number of water supply improvement projects in coastland and hinterland regions. They will be done in areas including Mabaruma, Barbina, Guyana, Shuludab, Shia, Cheongmout, and Bartica. The GWI is also in the process of enhancing its capacity to drill new wells as well as to maintain existing wells by acquiring 2 new rigs. We will also continue the pipe replacement in Georgetown to improve pressure in the system, prioritizing the Sinton Road to Cumming Street for the rest of this year. Mr. Speaker, we will commence a study for the provision of potable water from the Hope Canal and a design of water treatment systems for the hinterland towns of Mabaruma and Madhya, the islands of Legwan and Wakenham, coastal areas of Walton Hall to Charity in Region 2, Pushlot in Region 5, Taint to number 50 in Region 6. This study will be paramount in helping to shape the water sector program going forward. We will also work with all stakeholders to ensure proper wastewater management, as well as to ensure water rates remain affordable. An integrated water resource and management framework is being developed to ensure the rationalization of our water resources. Further, Mr. Speaker, the PPPC government will be pursuing an aggressive integrated sustainable waste management program. Our goal is to cater for the health of our citizens, our animals, and the environment. We will undertake improving infrastructure for sanitary landfills, encouraging recycling and composting, and spreading awareness to the public on the ISWM best practices and principles. An overall sum of 644.2 million has been allocated for sanitation interventions in 2020.